Hey there, just a quick little video. Got me one of these hard drive enclosures for, I guess, laptop size hard drives. Got this a long time ago. I was using it as a backup. Tried to make it work the other day. I wanted to check my backup and everything, and there you go. So I wanted to check what was in my backup, and it wasn't working. I just kept on making the hard drive make this little weird spinning noise, clicking noise. So I thought the hard drive was dead. Good thing I didn't throw it away because it was the enclosure. I tested the hard drive. The hard drive was perfect. I connected it through another method. And just to let you know, sometimes your hard drive enclosures, they die, especially if you bought this from, I guess, for sure it came from China, but one of those Chinese resellers that are based in the US. Not much value into these things. Maybe, let's say, no, I wouldn't even call this a peripheral board. It's probably mid-grade board. There's almost nothing in there. But I do see some gold in there, so not completely cheap. A little bit of gold in there. So there's that, and I'm pretty sure, yeah. And the case is aluminum, so there's a bit of scrap value in all of this. So you get a little bit of aluminum. Sorry, not a peripheral board, but a mid-grade board. Or you can harvest it for the gold connector here, gold connector there. Very simple, but just a cautionary tale. If you have one of these enclosures and your hard drive doesn't work, try the hard drive a different way, a different method of testing it, either plugging it straight into your PC or using one of those like testers that test hard drives, because you might end up losing a lot of data if you don't. So thanks for watching. This was a quick one. I'll try to post more soon, so talk to you guys soon.